In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Squarespace domain to Beacons.ai. Now, I'll show you how to do this step by step, and I'll explain everything in between, so let's jump into it. So first, you need to understand that to connect a custom domain from Squarespace to Beacons, you do need a paid plan. So if you go to the Beacons homepage and go to their pricing, you'll be able to see what that looks like. For me, I've got the Creator Pro plan, but you can get any plan. It's up to you. Now, it's important to note that with the Creator Pro plan, and pretty much any plans, you will get a free custom domain. Now, this video won't be showing you how to register this. It will be showing you how you can connect your custom domain name from Squarespace over to Beacons.ai. So you need to go ahead and get this plan. Then go to your link in bio section on Beacons, then go ahead and click settings. You can see here I have my custom domain, which I've bought through Beacons. And you'll also see that here in custom domain. Now, to connect a domain from Squarespace or any other hosting company, you will need to unlink this domain. So click unlink domain and just copy the domain from here, paste it in this text box, and then just verify that you want to unlink it. Now, don't worry, even though you're unlinking it from Beacons, you still own the domain. It's still in Beacons dashboard, and you can just connect it back again easily. However, because we want to connect our Squarespace domain, we're going to unlink it. We can then go to this link where it says already own a domain you want to connect. Click on that, and then we need to get the domain URL. So go to Squarespace, go to your profile icon in the top right hand corner, and then go to domains. Okay, so once you're in domains, you'll obviously have a domain in mind that you want to connect. I'm going to connect this one here, knowledgebasevideo.com. Click on the domain, then go to DNS. And what you can do here, you can go ahead and add some custom records. So again, going back here, my domain is knowledgebasevideo.com. So what I'm going to do first is just copy this domain. Then we can head back to Beacons and we can paste the domain name in here. Then click submit. Now what we need to do is add 2 DNS records. It really is easy. So open up step number 1 and that will open up some written instructions. You need to then scroll down to setting up your existing domain to your Beacons page. It's going to explain that you need to add 2 DNS records, but I'm going to run you through really quick what they are and how to do that. So we need to add 2 records, an A record and an AAAA record. So first we'll start with the A record. So the name needs to be @ the IP4 address needs to be this here. What I recommend you do is copy the IP4 address. And just remember, we're adding an A record. So go back to Squarespace, go to DNS. And what you can do here is you can add a custom record. So click add record. For the host here, you want to set this as @. For the type, we are adding an A record. We can then paste in the IP address that we've copied. And this is all copied here from these instructions. Here's the IP address, name @, and we're adding an A record. Once you've confirmed all of that, go ahead and click save. And there you go, you've now saved and added that. Now we'll add one more record, so click add record, and we need to do this again, just for a different record. Now we need to add an AAAA record with the name of @. Here is this IP address which we can copy. So let's go ahead and enter that in. So host @type AAAA and paste in this IP address and then click save. So now we've done that, we've now connected Squarespace to Beacons. Now they just kind of need to speak to each other and verify that connection. So now if you go ahead and click check status, it might already be working, but you need to give it up to 48 hours, as you can see written by Beacons.ai here. So it takes between 30 minutes and 48 hours for the domain to be fully registered across all servers and connected. So just wait up to 48 hours and your domain should be connected. It might work straight away, but it also might not. Yeah, so you can see knowledge-based video, it's redirected to my Beacons. So it's connected straight away for me. It might not be instant for you, but that's how to do it. I hope that video did help you out.